All right, so now we have quite a bit of footage. I mean, we've got, for Lee's story, I think we had like 2 hours of interview, and we've got B-roll, so we've got a lot of data on our hands. Now, the creative process and all this is gonna take a long time, so we wanna be efficient in every other area we can, and getting organized is an area that we can do that. So the first thing that I do is I copy all the footage into a folder, and I rename the footage. And you can, if you're using a Mac, you can select all the clips, right-click it, hit rename, and it'll kind of batch rename all of them for you so that you can label camera 1, Lee's story camera 2, Lee's story B-roll, so that in the event that you copy it to another drive, you'll be able to find it really easy. There's a couple great apps out there that help you stay organized. My favorite app for organization is called Posthaste. And what it does is you kind of have templates. So if you've got a design project, you got a video project or an animation project, you just get to select your template in there and name it and hit create. It creates all the folders. It creates a Premiere project for you, an After Effects project, however you want to set it up. It's free. So go download this thing and it'll help you be really organized. So just the way that you organize your folder structure is going to help you in the process of editing as well, because you don't want to be like getting into editing and digging around, where did I put these files? If everything is always the same, you always know where your music's going to be, you always know where your B-roll is going to be, where your camera, A camera, B camera is going to be. So here's what my Premiere kind of project looks like when I open it up. And this is the same across the whole team. The whole team will use this same system so that I hand a project off to somebody, he knows what to expect, and he knows where to go to find everything he's going to need. So another a great app that is really helpful if you're using 2 cameras, or if you're using a DSLR and you've got to sync your camera with your recorded audio is Pluralize. It's crazy simple. You just drag your footage in, hit sync, and export it to your Premiere timeline, and it syncs everything for you. So that's like a necessity. One thing you also need to do is always have a backup of your footage. So I use an app called Carbon Copy Cloner. I've got my projects drive that all the footage is on. That's the drive I work off of. And then I've got a backup drive. And what Carbon Copy Cloner does is it basically makes a carbon copy of my projects drive onto another drive. So it's exactly the same. If something were to happen to my projects drive, I know I've got a backup on this drive and everything can be safe.